Hi everyone, welcome to Arcade History School. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how to calculate the SMA crossover strategy using Python. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel so that once I upload the new video, you will get the notifications. Let's start the coding now. So I have opened the Anaconda prompt. I will just start the Jupyter notebook. Okay, it's started running Jupyter notebook. It will open the Jupyter notebook on browser. Let's start the coding now. So first of all, I will start to import the pandas, numpy and matplotlib. If you don't know the what is the panda, what is the matplotlib, what is numpy, just go and watch my Python playlist. You will get the some knowledge about the pandas and numpy. Okay. So import pandas as pd. Okay. Next import numpy as np and import matplotlib plotlib dot py plot as plt. So now we'll load the previous data. Uh, Now we'll load the previous history data, whatever we have downloaded in the earlier lecture. So we'll load the data. Data is equal to pandas dot read underscore csv. So this is the method. This is the method to load the data from the csv file. So sample dot csv and ars underscore dates is equal to date comma index underscore column is equal to date. Return the data now. Data. So we loaded the data, date and price. Now we'll define the SMA short and SMA long. And SMA short is equal to 50. If you are going for the short term, then it's 50. And SMA long is equal to 200. Right? Data dot price dot rolling. Okay. And it's 50. Okay. Now we'll define the SMA short and SMA long column in the list. Okay. So data SMA short is equal to data dot price dot rolling and what is that SMA short. Okay. Dot mean. Okay. Now we go for data SMA long. Right. SMA underscore L is equal to data dot price dot rolling SMAL dot mean. Let's return the data now and see how many columns are there. Okay. So we got the SMA 50 and SMA 200. SMA 50 indicates the SMA short and SMA 200 indicate the SMA long. Okay. Now we'll plot the graph for the same. Data dot plot peak size equal to 12 at, and now we'll provide the title. The title is Nifty Instrument and there is font size, we will define that one. Font size is equal to 12. The font size is equal to 12. Okay, so now we got the SMA 50 and SMA 200. SMA 50 is indicate for the short term and SMA 200 indicate the long term. Okay, so SMA short is, once the SMA short is cross over the upper side, then market will be uptrend. Once the market will cross the SMA short below the SMA long, then market will be downtrend. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे देखो SMA 50 यहाँ पे क्रॉस किया SMA लॉन्ग को, और यहाँ पे बाई पोजीशन जनरेट किया, और अपने को यहाँ पे जो है ना गुड रिटर्न मिला। फिर यहाँ पे देखो SMA शॉर्ट जो है ना, यहाँ पे लोअर साइड में क्रॉस किया SMA लॉन्ग को, और ये सेल का पोजीशन है। तो SMA जब भी SMA शॉर्ट जो है ना क्रॉस करेगा अपर साइड में है, SMA लॉन्ग को तो बाई पोजीशन जनरेट होता है, और SMA लॉन्ग जो है, SMA शॉर्ट जो है ना लोअर साइड में क्रॉस करता है तो सेल पोजीशन जनरेट होता है। When the short term SMA cross above the long term SMA, it's indicate uptrend. When the short term SMA cross below the long term SMA, then it's indicate downtrend. Okay, data and see the output. See, now here you observe that here showing that the date, price, or SMA 50 and SMA 200. SMA 50 and 200 sometimes is a none is coming and blank is coming. Okay, so you want to remove the none or blank in your chart. So how we can do that? Just remove the data, then data dot dropana, DROPNA, dropana, and then you have to pass the in place is equal to true. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, now return the data. Okay, now we remove the data from the none or space value from this list. Okay, now we'll draw the chart. 1 second. Let's see the output. Now we got the more clarity about the chart. See, it's crossed the SMA S short is crossed the SMA long in the uptrend, then its market is went for the upper side. Once here see SMA S is crossed the SMA L, and market will go on the downtrend. The positions. Okay, now we'll define the positions. So data position equal to numpy dot where, and then define the condition data what is called as SMA S greater than data SMA L, right? Then 1, otherwise -1. Okay, now return the data here. Okay, so it's saying that here is generating the -1. That means you go for the sell position. So here SMA S is crossing the SMA long in lower side, another lower direction. Okay, then it's indicating the -1. Okay, see here generating the buy. So once you got the position is -1, then you go for sell, and once you got the position is 1, then you go for buy option. Okay, dosto, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.